Nakikita nyo naman, sobrang dami. Okay, I think we'll start with this one. So, ayan na sila. Nalinis na. We have a package. Thank you po. Good morning everyone. So welcome back to another vlog. I just ate brunch. By definition of brunch is breakfast for lunch. Guess nyo ba? Kasi, ayan, I'm having omelette and niluto ni Liam. This is sausage and potato na omelette. I love it. Super sarap. I just wanted to vlog today kasi I will organize. My vanity is going crazy. I will show you later pero I really love the weather. Guys, look at the weather. It's so gloomy. Grabe. Ito yung favorite kong weather, yung gloomy. Kasi it's so relaxing. Imagine, tanghaling tapat pero ganyan kadilim. It's the perfect time to stay at home. Just gonna finish what I'm eating. And ayun, ayusin na natin. Mag-organize tayo sa taas kasi it's a problem. What are you doing there, baby? Tingnan nyo naman. It's legit cuddle weather. Tingnan nyo. Grabe, ang ganda ng panahon. Pero, hindi. No. Walang cuddle weather dito kasi magtatrabaho tayo. Let's do this. Madami tayong gagawin. Kaya, walang cuddle weather dito. Ayan. Hi guys. Look at the situation of my vanity right now. I mean, do I need to explain more? Ang chaotic niya guys. So, we're gonna organize it today. So ayan, mag-shoutout muna tayo sa mga comments sa last video. So shoutout kay Christian, Marjoline, Benedict, Kyla, Da, Marty, Julianne, Jay, Chris, Don, Miguel, Billy Joe, Ezekiel, Matt, and lastly kay Glenn. So ayan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout sa next video, mag-comment lang kayo down below ng Declutter. So ayan, kung gusto nyo ma-shoutout, mag-comment na kayo. And yeah, back to the video. Before we organize, I just want to unbox yung mga package na nakuha natin kanina. I just bought this Bath and Body Works na Eucalyptus Spearmint Stress Relief na Essential Oil Mist. We've showed this already sa isang favorites video. I don't know which one, pero ubos na yung una namin. This one. Same scent lang, Eucalyptus and Spearmint. Kasi grabe, super relaxing ng scent na to. Kaya I really love it. So, I always spray this sa kama before I go to sleep. Bago ako maligo, sinispray ko na to sa kama para ma-marinate yung bed, kumbaga. Pero ayan. And I got it from Shopee kasi it's cheaper there. Diba we went to Manila the other day, tas nag-ask ako sa Bath and Body Works sa SM North. Grabe, 1,000 pesos yung ganito be. So I ordered one sa Shopee. This is only for 400 pesos. Super nice talaga. As in, ang bango. As in, relaxing siya. Pag di kayo makatulog, makakatulog kayo sa amoy nito. Grabe, ang bango talaga. I can't live without it na. Next package naman is this one. Dito ako most excited. Super hinahype ko, tapos dyan parang maano kayo, ang super anticlimactic. I just got this SanDisk memory card. I bought this for this camera, yung aking DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Kasi yung mga regular na micro SD cards doesn't work properly. Nagtitiis ako. Ever since I got this camera, tas ever since I've used it, faulty na yung memory card. As in, may nawawalang clips, lagi nag-error, ang tagal mag-boot up. Tapos, sinearch ko, baka parang defective yung nabili kong camera. Ngayon pala, nasa memory card. So, ayun. I bought yung pinakamaganda na talaga, 512 gig. Kasi the one I'm using right now is 128 gig lang. 1 day worth of vlogs lang yung kaya niyang i-store. I'm just so happy. I'm so excited for this one. Ako lang nga tayo na-excite. I've been putting this off for the longest time. I really wanted to clean. Gusto ko na din kasi mag-declutter. So, the products that I don't use, I will give it away. Madami din kasi nag-aabang. Yung mga friends ko, yung mga tita ko, ayan. Lagi sila nag-aabang ng mga for decluttering ko na makeup. These are two of the new products I got the other day. It's from Issey. This one is the Gelatin in the shade Coquette. If you guys want that My Lips But Better shade, tapos nagtatagal throughout the day yung lips, yung color ng lips, this is the one, Issey Gelatin. Tinted lip balm naman, I discovered this one. This is the Issey Solar Lip Balm. Ganda nito, promise. Super, super nice nito. Let's start. I don't know where to start. Oh my God. Nakikita nyo naman, sobrang dami talaga. Kasi sobrang daming products. So, we're just gonna...
You look so lovely, it scares
This
me
will
to
be
death.
the purge. Eto na, magpa-purge na tayo.
I used to get so insecure with you, it's different. Yeah, just something about you makes me so
This
sure.
one, ang sakit ng loob ko dito kasi wala siyang amoy. I don't know why. Parang 5 minutes lang wala na yung amoy. The lip balm though.
You'll be my parachute, baby, no you'll catch
Okay, I think
me
we'll start
whenever
with
I
this
fall.
one. Dito na tayo
I
magpa-purge.
fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds, so is my heart bounce 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby, no you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me.
Ito natin ikakabit lahat ng pamigay, tapos lahat ng itatapon, diretso na dun. So, okay, let's start. Summer Fridays, I love this one. 3CE, okay naman siya, pero I have other better lip balms. You're going there. My favorite is C&Co Brow Gel na luma na. Check natin kung pwede pa siya. Pwede pa siya, meron pa siyang product. Ayan. I'm in dire need of decluttering. I need to declutter talaga. Ay, this one is new. This one, hindi pa nagagamit. So, I have mga bagong dalawa. Tapos ito yung current kong ginagamit. So, this is kinda easy. Ang dami kong easy na brows. Tuyo na siya, be. Hindi na siya pwede, be. Tapon. Oh, ito na naman. Easy na naman. Pero this one is clear. How many brow products do you need? Meron pa to. Pwede ka pa. Ka. I have beef with this product as in. I don't know, for some reason, nagka-clump siya. Namumuo siya sa kilay ko. Everyone raves about this product pero nagkakaputi-puti yung brows ko when I use this. Sino nyo puro brows? I've had this for so long na. One thing about this strokes naman, I didn't like the applicator kasi ang liit, tas ang taba. Lumalagpas-lagpas, kaya hindi ko siya bet. This one, ayan. This one is the best. The best brow product you could buy. I just bought this the other day. This is literally the best brow product I've tried. Tingnan niyo yung kilay ko. Yung kasing dito sa Vice, grabe, parang nagkakadandruff yung kilay. Super ganda sa kilay nito. If naghahanap kayo ng brow product, clear brow gel lang to. Ganda nito. Highly recommend. Back to the ball game. I really like this one. Discontinued na siya. I think I have one pa. Ayun, meron pa tayong... When I like a product kasi, nagsastock ako. So, meron pa akong stock na isa. Goodbye. I've loved you so much. Itong Evo Snow na to, hindi naman effective to. Tapon na yan. Diyos ko. I bought yung light beige kaso super puti siya sa akin. So, ito. Bumili ako nung darker shade. And this is a controversial one kasi at first, I really like this one. Ang ganda niya. Kasi nirecommend ko din to sa favorites video ko. Kasi ganun siya kaganda. For oily skin. One thing about me, hindi naman ako oily skin. It just became so patchy to me. I really want to like this one kasi I really love Miss Nina. Pina-everyday ko siya. At first, talagang okay siya. Pero kapag long wearing na, yung the whole day, as in, kitong-kitong para akong nagbabakbak sa mukha. I really want to like this one, pero just didn't work for me, so pamigay na natin siya. Ay, that's so sad. Issey Illuminator, super love ko to. Hindi na ako mabubuhay nang wala to kasi I really like that. Ay, nakita nyo? Yung parang glass skin. Dito nyo siya ma-achieve. Archie! Si Archie, tingnan nyo, nanggugulo na naman. Super smell! Diba? Ang dami na agad na bawas. Oh my gosh. The purge talagang nangyari. Don't worry, baka meron mga germaphobe sa inyo na magalit kasi pinamimigay ko yung used makeup ko. Pero yung mga pagbibigyan ko naman, mga relatives ko, mga kaibigan ko.
Rush of adrenaline in your kiss. Tethered up together, we could go the distance. Yeah, this atmospheric pressure, something when you pull me in. You make me wanna stay. Take a leap of faith. I know that you're safe. I know you'll be my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight.
We cleaned our vanity na and ayan, super satisfying. Ang dami ko din na declutter. Hiwalay pa yung mga natapon na. Decluttering makeup is so fun. This is your sign to clean your makeup brushes. I bought this makeup cleaner on TikTok. Nabudol na naman ako sa TikTok. Ganyan lang siya. Para siyang bucket na silicone. Tapos meron siyang stand ng makeup brushes here. Pagpapatuyuin nyo na siya. So, nalilinis talaga siya. Ayun, nakukuha niya talaga lahat ng product. After nyo siyang gamitin, pagpapatuyuin nyo yung brushes, you just stick them here. Oh, diba? Amazing! So, ayan na sila. Nalinis na sila. And I will just let it dry for, I think, 24 hours. Siguro tuyo na
You'll be
siya.
my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I fall. It's like my laces untied, got me tripping right into your arms. Your arms. Headed straight down through the night clouds. So is my heart pounds 10,000 feet, but you're my parachute, baby. Know you'll catch me whenever I fall. I know you got me. I know you got me. I know you got me. Falling for you fast, I'm not afraid to land, 'cause you're my only solid ground.
Hey guys, so we just got home from SNR and I'm just gonna do a quick haul of everything that we got kasi medyo napadami-dami. Sabi namin bibili lang kami ng pizza, ewan ko ba bakit naging ganyan? Bakit naging ganito? Hindi naman siya yung grocery talaga, it's just snacks. It's giving kids with adults money. Puro snacks yung binili namin, pero anyways. First, bumili kami nitong A&W na root beer. Favorite ko talaga to ever since the world began. Ever since naka-keto diet ako, this is cacao lat. Wala siyang sugars. Tapos, I want to try, ito kasi yung mga vlogger na pinapanood ko online. Bumibili sila ng mga cold brew. Sabihin na natin on average, ang iced coffee outside is 100 pesos. Which is very, ano na yun mura na yun, yung 100 pesos na iced coffee. Kasi sa iba, 200, 180. Sabihin na natin 100. Sabihin na natin na 6 times a week ako nagkakape. Diba? 600 pesos na siya. Eh, ito parang 150 pesos lang. So, I'm gonna try this one. This is a Japanese brand. Kung masarap to, ito na lang gagawin kong kape every single day kasi super mahal ng kape. Sa kape lang nauubos na yung pera ko, guys. Na-intriga lang ako. This is Prime. The internet kids have been hyping this up. Try ko lang siya. Ruffles and Cheetos. You guys know how much I love Swiss Miss. I got this Swiss Miss salted caramel. I don't know. Parang ngayon ko lang siya na-encounter, so na-intriga ako. I just bought it. 100 pesos lang din to. Ice lollies. Para siyang ice candy na cola flavor. 100 pesos lang din. We bought snack pack din. Di sa akin to, kay Liam to kasi hilig-hilig niya yung honey butter. Tapos naka-buy one take one yung wafers. Kinakain na ba ang snack pack kahit di malamig? Di ba kinakain naman? Ayan, snack pack ang dami. Montamu. Grabe, ang sarap. Grabe, puro snacks talaga yung binili na. Wala naman kasi dapat talaga kami bibilhin. Wow! Gusto ko ng aesthetic. Wait lang. Gagawin natin ng paraan ng aesthetic. Amazing! Grabe naman yung root beer na to talaga. Ang sarap na tong root beer na to. Unboxing. So, may mga package tayong dumating today. And I'm just gonna unbox it dito sa vlog na to. From Shopee. Cover lang siya nitong camera kasi nabubugbog tong camera na to sa bag ko. So, bumili lang ako nitong cover para sa kanya. Wow! It's orange. Ito, excited ako dito kasi makeup na naman siya. Galing, no? Nag-declutter ng makeup tapos may dumating na order. Ayun nga yung dahilan bakit tayo nagde-declutter kasi may paparating na bago. So, So I bought something from Issey. My favorite brand. Issey, baka naman. Baka naman this video, mapansin nyo na ako. If napanood nyo yung ano namin, A Day in the Life in Manila, ito talaga yung hinahunting namin doon sa Manila, itong Issey foundation. Kaso sold out. Mabuti nalaman namin yung shade namin. And ayan, saktong-sakto naka-sale siya sa Shopee. So, ayan, I'm in the shade NL 2.5. You know, it doesn't feel like foundation. Ang ganda ng shade match na sa akin. Doon sa store nila sa SM North at they let us try kung ano yung shade namin talaga. Nag-shade matching kami doon. Bumili na naman ako na itong gelatin kasi super nagustuhan ko yung formula niya. Yan ang dalawang makeup product na bago. Ay nako, declutter pa. Bibili din naman ng bago. At least nag-declutter, no? Bago bumili ng bago.